Hello everyone, welcome to Chem 101, Chemistry 1. My name is Pierre Gouet. I'm going to try to introduce you to the course. Here I have a short video of myself. I have an introduction, my bio here. You can read it when you have time. Down here we have modules. The first part of the module is a course overview. I'm going to go through that first. When you look at the course overview, you're going to see that you have an honor code that you're going to have to confirm. You're going to have to click this sign it before you are allowed to take the course. The course comes here. The syllabus is here. I'm going to come back to that. The textbook we need and material we need for the course are here. We're going to have some project during the term. All of them will be under here, but we're going to see them on another side. Let me go to the syllabus. Click here. So again, the course starts July 14, ends August 18 or so. The home page of the course is here. That will get you back to the home page. We saw this. Here we have reading policies. I want to insist on work that you have to turn in. You have to turn your assignment on or before the due date. 1 day late, you're going to have a 10% penalty. 2 days late, you're going to have 30% penalty. Between 3 and 6 days, you're going to get 50% penalty. You will not be able to turn any work after 6 days. Okay, so keep that in mind. It will be reminded to you in my announcement. Here, these are the letter grade, depending on the percentage. You will see your letter grade on the left. Again, we say we have textbook and supply list here. Communication, how do you communicate with me? Send me an email and I should be able to respond within 24 hours during weekdays. Discussion expectations. Discussion are to be responded to by Wednesday, midnight Pacific time. Thursday, 3 a.m. Eastern time for the first posting, and then the second posting is due on Sunday. Okay. So learning accommodation, you will see here what you need to do if you fit these descriptions. Down here we have policy on plagiarism, cheating, and turn-in is used to check your work at all times. Copyright policies. Here we have learning material preview for the course. Here is where I wanted to get to. So the course summary here. You're going to see that the first week, what we have due during the week is introduction. If you do not turn your introduction by Thursday or July 17, you're probably going to be dropped from the class. So you have to do it. Do it as soon as you open this year. And then you're going to see that for every week, we're going to have 4 assignments in general. We're generally going to have what we're going to call an assignment. You're only going to have 2 discussions, so they have to be posted on Wednesday, midnight Pacific time, and Thursday, 3 a.m. And then you're always going to have a quiz for each week. So again, the quiz and the assignment will be due on Sunday, midnight Pacific, 3 a.m. Monday, Eastern time. And these 2 here, the first posting has to be done on Wednesday, midnight Pacific time, and 3 a.m. Thursday Eastern time. So we're going to have the same type of assignment every week. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The same type here, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then the last week here. Again, remember, no assignment can be accepted after 6 weeks. Okay. So remember, you're going to have to sign a safety contract before you start the course as well. You're going to tell that you understand what the safety rules are when you perform labs at home. If I go back out, I'm going to go back here. So here, course project overview page. We're going to have project, as we say, we're going to have 2 projects per week. I would like you to see and check this video out. That will help you understand how things are done. So Project resources are here. Credible sources, when you want to quote something, you want to know where to get that information. If I go back out, what I want to show here now are announcements. They'll be here. They're going to come to you inbox. They already posted here. I have the syllabus here. That's what I opened earlier. Modules here. We have 5 modules. Course overviews on top here. Pre-course safety module. You have to do this before the course. If you don't do this, the next one will not open. So this is week 1. This is week 2. So the assignments are there. The reading materials are there as well. So you have the overview. Learning material are here. And then you have the 4 assignments we talked about. You're going to have the same structure for all of them. Overview, learning material, 4 assignments for every week. That's on the module. We have 5 modules because we have a 5-week term. Discussions are over here. So they already posted. You have 2 discussions per week. This is week 1, July 21st. The introduction is here. This is week 2, 28 and 28 here for the 2 discussions. Week 3, August 4th here. Week 4, we only have discussion here. And week 5, we have 2 discussions there. Okay. So again, please poke around before class starts so that you know what's going on in the class. If you have any questions, send an email my way. I will have 24 hours to answer it. If you do not hear from me, please send me another email to check if there's something going on with me. Okay? I hope we have a great term, and I'll see you around. Thank you very much.